Hello everyone, welcome to another baby dress alteration video of Mom Can Do Anything. This is a beautiful frock which my daughter wore when she was 6 months. Now she is 2-year-old and I want to resize this frock for her. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and stay connected. Let's begin. First, identify the problem areas. Number 1, the neck and the armhole are now tight. Number 2, it's very difficult to wear this frock since the zip is small, it finishes above the waistline. And number 3 is the length of the frock is short. I will take a matching blue fabric for alteration. Let's begin one by one. Now, I will add a small piece of fabric 1 inch by 2.5 inch size on both the shoulders. By doing this, I have achieved two things. That is, the neck and the armhole have increased at the same time. Now insert another piece on both sides of the frock to make it loose. Now open the zip, cut in 4 to 5 inches deeper and put a longer zip. And now what remains is the length of the frock. Add 5 inches of fabric at the bottom and add a matching lace. Here is the final look. Isn't it adorable? It looks like a brand new frock and it perfectly fits my 2-year-old daughter. As you can see, the side patches are not standing out. Everything looks as a part of the dress. I'm sure we all have many beautiful baby frocks which are barely used and became tight. Please consider recycling it before giving it away. Thank you for watching. Hope someone somewhere will find this useful. Bye-bye.